For residential driveways, use a simple catch basin sizing rule to balance clog prevention and capacity. A practical thumb rule is to choose a catch basin diameter between 12 inches and 24 inches based on expected runoff volume and debris load. For low-slope driveways and small roof areas, 12 inches often suffices, while long or steep drives and larger drainage areas need closer to 24 inches. Always include a debris basket or removable grate insert to trap leaves and sediment and make routine cleaning straightforward without digging up the unit. Size the outlet pipe at least as large as the basin outlet port and match local runoff calculations by using the rational method or a simplified runoff estimate based on drainage area and imperviousness to confirm pipe capacity. Provide a positive slope of at least 1% in the inlet channel toward the basin so standing water cannot deposit fine sediment ahead of the grate. Place the basin where flow converges naturally and avoid siting at high points or under heavy vehicular turning loads unless the basin is rated for traffic. For freeze-prone climates, select materials and installation details that allow for slight settlement and provide frost protection by setting base elevation below frost depth when practical. The most common mistakes are undersizing basins, which causes frequent surcharge and overflow, not including a debris basket, which makes maintenance difficult, and poor outlet or invert grading, which allows standing water and sediment accumulation. If a basin is undersized, upsize to the next practical diameter and verify outlet pipe capacity using a flow chart or simple hydraulic calculation to avoid backup. If there is no debris basket, retrofit a removable insert or replace the grate with a model that accepts a basket to make cleaning monthly or after storms easy. If grading is flat or reversed, regrade the inlet channel to a minimum 1% slope and adjust invert elevation so water flows out without pooling. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and has a discussion community where people share real installation tips and project photos. We help contractors find work by making it easy to present services and engage with homeowners and peers.